Come back for Logical SEO. So today we are going to see how we can upload a downloadable file to our blogger, and if you upload a file to a blogger, that others can download it from our blogger side. Suppose take an example, if you are a YouTuber or if you are a teacher, if you are giving online classes, means if you need to give document also for students, you can send the documents, you can upload it to your blogger, and all the remotely student can access over a world. They can download it easily from your blogger site when you provide a link in to the students. So this question may you can ask me doubt that you can provide the document in WhatsApp also, but providing a document in a blogger type of website, it is a too much official, and WhatsApp is too much generally. And if you watch this video until and you can able to upload any kind of file format file such as mp3, video, audio, pdf, document, excel file, anything you can upload it to a blogger that others can download it remotely access over a worldwide. So before starting this video, I suggest you that watch this video until and you can able to upload any type of file to your blogger. And without wasting a time, let's start a video. So go to Google. Here you just type Google Drive. After typing, you will redirect to a Google Drive. If you have not yet been logged in, just log in by your Gmail. If you have been already logged in, just click. It will be automatically sign in to your Google Drive. Yeah, it will take a few seconds because it depends upon our internet speed. After it will successfully open, no, just click on a new, left corner top, new, select file upload. After selecting this, I recommend you to convert a file before uploading in a zip file because it will be compressed. Select a file, click on open. So the file is in a process to upload. So at that time, I will take a tour to you for a blogger. Just type blogger. If you have not yet been created your blogger site, just create it by your Gmail. If you have already created, just click on blogger. It will be automatically redirect to your blogger site. Create a new post. So yeah, because it will be helpful for which file I am uploading in my drive, I'll provide a link in my blogger for my viewers. Just my file have been uploaded successfully. Just click on this audio file, right click on it, click on share. After doing this, it will provide a link. So click on change below. If you could select anyone, it will be download. If you click restricted, it will not download for anyone. Just copy link, click on done. After copying file, it will be helpful for us in further. Copy in notepad and done, and copy link once again. Click on done. Once you copy, click on done, and let's see go for our blogger. This here download no. If you click this button means our file need to be download in browser. Just select it and click on the above link. Yeah, here select it, create edit URL. Yes, we need to paste our drive link and select open this link in new tab and click OK. So we have been updated and published our page in a blogger successfully. Just this is for testing purpose. Let's try it. Click on download now. Yeah, as you can see, my file has been downloading successfully. If you click on download, yeah, 100% it has been downloading. So this is a method, working method.